Hi crochet lovers and welcome back to Miguel's Crochet. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this cute little witchy hat which can be used, especially if you make amigurumis, you can make them to make your pictures extra cute like I've shown you guys on my Instagram, so if you follow me. So these are super really cute witchy hats that you can add to your little amigurumis. So yeah guys, this will be a tutorial on how to do it, so get ready. Alright guys, the material you will need to be able to make this hat will be of course some purple yarn, some yellow yarn, you'll need some scissors, stitch marker, and a needle. So let's get started. Alright guys, starting first with the purple yarn, we'll grab your purple yarn, and the first thing that you will need to do is we will start with the magic ring. And by the way guys, I'm using a 5mm hook. You can either use a bigger hook or a small hook, it's totally up to you. Alright guys, starting first, I will start with the magic circle. I'm gonna do first chain 1, and now I'm gonna do 4 single crochet into the magic ring. So here I made the first single crochet, I'm gonna do 3 more, 2, here we go, 3 and 4. As you guys can see right here, I've made a total of 4 single crochet. Now I'm gonna pull the strand, try to close the circle, and now we will continue working in rounds, you guys. So we will not slip stitch. So for the second round, I'm gonna do 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next 4 stitches. So starting first with the first one right here, I'm gonna join right here. There we go. I'm gonna try to hide the loop as well. So now I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in this stitch. There we go. I'm gonna put my stitch marker right here, you guys, so I know where I started. And into the second stitch, you guys, we will do a increase, which is 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So I'm gonna do that. There we go. Alright, I made an increase. In the next stitch, I'm gonna do 1 single crochet. So let's see. There we go. I'm gonna try to work the loop as well. Alright, you guys, and in the last stitch, you will do 1 more increase, which is 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Wait, let me check if I got both loops. Yeah, there we go. And in this stitch, I'm gonna do an increase, you guys. There we go, guys. Now I shall have a total of 6 stitches. So let's count. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Alright, guys, let's move on now to the round 3, which in this round we will do 6 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in each stitch. So this is my first round, round 3. I made my first single crochet right there. I'm gonna put my stitch marker. And now I will continue doing 5 single crochet more into the rest of the stitches. There we go. You can start pushing it a little bit, you guys, so the pointy head can come out. There. Okay, let me continue. Here I will do 1 more single crochet. And in the next stitches, 1 single crochet. There we go, you guys. Alright, you guys, I should have a total of 6 single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay, you guys, let's move on now to the 4th round. And in this round, we will do 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next stitches. So let's do that. Okay, there we go. Made my first single crochet. Let me put back my stitch marker. And in the next stitch, we will do an increase. There we go. In the next stitch, we will do 1 single crochet. 1 second, guys. Single crochet. Alright, you guys. And in the next stitch, we will do another increase. There we go. And 1 single crochet right there. 1 increase in the next stitch, you guys. Oh, this is the last stitch. So we will end this last stitch with an increase. So right now we shall have a total of 9 single crochet, you guys. So let's move on now to the 5th round. In the 5th round we will do 9 single crochet. So 1 single crochet in each stitch. Let me put back my stitch marker. Alright. So keep doing 1 single crochet now into the next stitches. Next 9 stitches. So I'm doing that. You guys can see. Alright guys, moving on now to the 6th round. We will do in this round 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next stitch. So repeat that. So in this stitch we will do 1 single crochet. Let me put my stitch marker back. And 1 increase in the next stitch. 1 single crochet in the next stitch and 1 increase in the next stitch. There we go. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 increase in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Oh, 1 second. And 1 increase in the next stitch. Once we will end this round with 1 single crochet into the last stitch, if I'm correct. Okay guys, in this round you should have a total of, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So you should have a total of 13 stitches. Alright guys, now in this round, if you guys want to attach like the little black yarn, in this round you should change your color and do 13 single crochet in the next round, or you can just continue like I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna use the black color. So in this round we will do 13 single crochet. So now we will just do 13 single crochet in the next stitches. I made my first one, now I'm gonna do my second one. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. As you guys can see, I finished doing my last stitch. The hat, you can like press it, pinch it to make the hat a little bit more pointy if you want. Alright guys, this will be my 8th round, which will be my last round. So in this round, you guys, we will do 2 half double crochet in each stitch. So I'm gonna start with the first one, which we will do 1 half double crochet here. I'm gonna grab my stitch marker and put it back so I know where I started. I'm gonna do 1 more half double crochet in this stitch, and we will repeat this like the same pattern all over. So in the next stitch we will do 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. So you guys can see right here, and I'm gonna keep doing the same, 2 half double crochet in each stitch, which is an increase in half double crochet. This is to form like the hat. I'm just gonna keep doing an increase by doing 2 half double crochet in each stitch, as you guys can see. There we go, here, there we go, another increase there. So 2 half double crochet all around. Keep repeating the same step. Almost there, you guys. I'm getting there, you guys. Getting there. Alright, and here. Let's see. Alright guys, I have one stitch more left, and in this stitch I will do another increase in half double crochet. Alright you guys, that's basically it. So now you will finish by doing a slip stitch into the first stitch. So right here, just finish off with the slip stitch, and now you can cut your yarn. Leave a little tail so we can do for sewing right there. There we go guys. Alright guys, as you can see right here, we finished with the hat, and now let's add like the white rim, like the little belt, kind of the little belt. So now you guys, to make the belt, just grab a piece of golden yarn, yellow yarn, it's totally up to you. Just grab like a little piece, like I did. And now grab your needle, and we are gonna do like a little square. There we go. So this is the back side of the hat where we finish the slip stitch. So right here in the front, you guys, you can do, let's say here. So right there, I'm gonna just push it, and like in the next stitch, like maybe here, I'm gonna just start doing like a little square, like a cute little square. And maybe here I will insert my hook again, and you guys, I'm just gonna try to make a square. There we go. And in the next stitch, I'm gonna insert it into the same like space, and right here maybe. There we go. And I'm gonna finish the square by inserting my hook maybe here, you guys can see, and finish it off here. It doesn't need to look perfect, it's totally up to you guys, but I don't really mind my square to look a little crooked. I don't care, honestly, because it's just for fun and it's cute. You can maybe adjust your square. There we go guys. And now what I like to do is just do a little knot here, or maybe 2 knots, just like that. Let's do one more. Right. Alrighty guys, easy peasy. Now just cut the yarn. And there you go guys, you just finished making your own cute little witch hat. And you guys, these are super fun. Like, look how cute they look. Like, it totally depends on the size and the hook size you use, so you can make them even bigger or smaller. And the fun part is, you guys, you can use the hats to, you know, make your amigurumis extra cute, like I did, for example, with this little wheel, by just attaching the hat. So you can do the same. And as I mentioned before, you guys, if you want to make it like with the black yarn, like to make the belt even more noticeable, you can do in round 7 instead of in around 7, you can switch color and do it with black yarn, and then switch color again and do it with purple yarn. It's totally up to you, but either way it will look super cute. So, and you guys, look how adorable they look. I freaking love it. But guys, so with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you guys make this cute little hat, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Your support will mean the world to me. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you soon guys. Bye.